In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Us West to .turbotax.intuit.com. If doing your taxes has ever felt stressful, confusing, or expensive, this walkthrough will help you switch to TurboTax and handle your return yourself with confidence. We'll focus on filing in Canada and how TurboTax makes the process simple, secure, and designed to help you get the maximum refund you're entitled to. Here's the big idea. TurboTax guides you step by step. Instead of staring at complicated tax forms, you'll answer plain language questions about your life and finances. As you go, TurboTax automatically looks for deductions and credits that apply to you, helping you claim everything you qualify for. It also keeps your information protected with encryption and files securely with the CRA, so you can feel confident your data and your return are handled safely. You're in control the entire time. Prefer to do it yourself end to end? Great. Want reassurance along the way? You can get help from a TurboTax expert whenever you need it. And if you filed before, it's easy to access your previous returns so your information stays organized and ready for the new year. A quick pro tip: if it's your first time, the questions are designed to be simple and focused on your situation. You can import CRA slips where available to save time, and you'll get a clear review before you file, so you can double check everything. When you're ready to begin, head to TurboTax. Intuit.ca and start your return on your schedule. Let's talk tips to make your filing smooth. Gather key documents first, like employment slips, investment income, tuition amounts, RRSP contributions, and receipts for eligible credits. Use a stable internet connection and save your progress as you go so nothing gets lost. Read the explanations on each screen. Those little info icons are there to help you understand what's being asked. If your situation changed this year, such as starting a side gig, moving provinces, or claiming new dependents, answer those prompts carefully so TurboTax can surface the right forms. Before you file, use the final review to catch typos, verify your personal details, and compare your refund or balance owing. After submitting, download or print a copy of your return and the confirmation for your records. Thanks for watching. Switching to TurboTax is a simple way to take control of your taxes. Keep your information secure and feel confident you're filing accurately. When you're ready to get started, visit turbotax.intuit.ca and make this tax season your easiest one yet.